Good morning, class 10th. In previous video we have studied about the geography chapter 4 agriculture, and our topic we have already studied about the major crops. The crops are divided as grains and the food crops other than grains, and the third one cash crops. In grains we have studied about the rice, wheat, millet, maize and pulses. In which location crops are these crops are produced, and what are the role of these crops in our daily life. In which state which crop is grown most. Now today we have the topic food crops other than grains. Food crops other than grains. The important food crops other than grains, in them the first one is sugarcane. Sugarcane, that is a tropical as well as subtropical crop which grows in hot and humid climate with a temperature 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and the required rainfall for this crop is between 75 to 100 centimeter per year. It can be grown on a variety of soil. Not a particular soil has been specified for this crop. On a variety of soils the sugarcane produced. India is the second largest producer of the sugarcane. The first one is Brazil. Which country is the largest country in the field of the production of sugarcane? The answer is Brazil. It is the main source of gund, sugar, khandsari and molasses. The major sugarcane producing states are UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. The second one is oilseeds. India is the second largest producer of oilseeds in the world after China. Means China is the largest producer of oilseeds. After China, India is the largest producer of oilseeds, so it gained the second position in the world in the field of producing oilseeds. And most of the oilseeds are edible. Main oilseeds produced in India are groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, soybean, castor seed, cottonseed, sunflower, etc. Oilseeds over approximately 12% of the total cropped area. Oilseeds cover approximately 12% of the total cropped area, means whatever the land area on which we are cultivating, 12% of that land area has been used to produce oilseeds. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of groundnut. The other major oilseeds producing states are Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Groundnut is a kharif crop and accounts for about half of the major oilseeds produced in India. Thereafter, tea. It is also known as a beverage crop, which is introduced in India by the British. Tea grows well in a tropical and subtropical climate. It is a type of plantation crop. It needs deep and fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus and organic matter. Tea bushes require warm and moist, frost-free climate throughout the year. Frequent shower evenly distributed over the year ensure continuous growth of tender leaves. It requires abundant, cheap and skilled laborer. The major tea producing states in India are Assam, hills of Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri, that is located in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. After it, coffee. India produces 3.5%. Yes, coffee. India produces 3.5% of the world's coffee production. Whatever the coffee produced in the world, 3.5% of the total production of the coffee produced in India. Its Arabica variety initially brought from Yemen is now produced in India. Its cultivation was introduced on the Baba Budan hills and even today it is grown only in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Indian coffee is famous in the world for its premium quality. Thereafter, horticulture crops. Horticulture crops, it means that in 2014 India was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world after China. India produces both tropical as well as temperate fruits. Mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, oranges of Nagpur and Cherrapunji, bananas of Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, lychee and guava of UP and Bihar, pineapples of Meghalaya, grapes of Andhra Pradesh, and apples, pears, apricots and walnuts of Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are in great demand the world over. India produces 13% of the world's vegetables. It is an important producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. Thank you.